In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change video quality in Google Meet. To begin, look at your Google Meet meeting screen. In the bottom right corner of the meeting interface, you will see an icon with 3 dots. That menu is often called More Options. Click those 3 dots now. After you click the 3 dots, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. When you open Settings, Google Meet will show a window with different tabs, usually including options for video, audio, and other meeting preferences. Once the Settings window is open, look on the left side of the window for the Video tab. Click the Video tab. Choosing the Video tab is important because it separates video settings from other audio or general settings. Now you will see sections labeled for sending and receiving. Under Send Resolution, you can pick the video clarity you send to the other people in your meeting. If your internet connection is strong and stable, choosing high definition can improve how crisp you look on other participants' screens. If your connection is limited, standard definition can be a better choice because it can reduce buffering and keep the call smoother. As you choose your send resolution, pay attention to what you want to optimize. If clarity is your priority and you have good connectivity, select the higher option. If you are experiencing lag or your video is not consistently stable, choosing a lower option can make the meeting more reliable for everyone. Next, move your attention to Receive Resolution. In other words, it affects what appears on your screen, not what others see from you. You may also see an option that allows you to switch to audio only. After you have made your choices for both Send Resolution and Receive Resolution, look for the Done button. Click Done to save your changes. That covers everything you need to know.